Gummy Sharks picking up some cubes. Cyberpunks 2.0 putting some cubes into that goal. Looks like Gummy Sharks is knocking some of the reds off the posts. We have Cyberpunks 2.0 looking for some cubes into that goal. Gummy Sharks with 3 cubes into their feeding system. We're going to try to score all of these green cubes in the goal. You can now switch drivers. All of the reds have been knocked off the post. It's going to give each team 15 points. And 6 cubes are scored into this little goal by Gummy Sharks. As we get to the last 20 seconds of the match, teams are going to try to score in the last minute cubes. And near the end of the match, we'll see if any teams can pull off the park. Looks like Cyberpunks 2.0 pull off the park. And Gummy Sharks get some last minute cubes in there. And they pull off the park as well. Alright, qualification match 15. We have 7-5, 7-8, 5D, the Waffles, and 5